welcome back in my YouTube channel JavaScript Centric. So in this video we are going to talk about the new update of the macOS. So let's go to the system, software update. So here you can see the two new things is introduced. One is a macOS Big Sur 11.3 and the Xcode 12.5 also updated. So now this is the new features which is introduced in 11.3. so there are so many features. So few of the features that I like mostly is the iPhone and iPad app on macOS with M1. So this is one of the biggest new improvement in 11.3 is to ability to resize the iPhone and iPad app windows. And Apple also added the keyboard and mouse trackpad support for the game that are compatible with the controller. Apple also added some of the new emoji. Apple has added more diverse voice option to the Siri. And other one new feature is that Apple has also added autoplay to the music app, a feature which is either great or annoying depending on your mood. Like after you reach the end of a song or playlist, Apple Music will continue playing music that it think is similar. Okay, so this is the new feature that Apple had added. Then the feature related with the podcast and the news redesign news plus feed, enable Apple News subscriber to quickly find. So this is the new feature related with the news. One new feature is related with Safari that we can customize our start page. One new feature is added to the reminder list, so we can print out the reminder list also. And one feature which is I like is the related with the gaming. So the Xbox Series Access wireless controller or Sony PS5 dual sense wireless control support is added by the Apple. So let's install the new Mac OS. So we have to click on install now. Now click on agree button. Now it is downloading new updates, so it will take some time. So it will take time because the size is 6.62 GB.